Hello, little friends. Welcome to our video on good habits. Today, we'll learn about the importance of developing good habits and how they help us grow up healthy and happy. We'll explore various healthy eating habits, like eating fruits and vegetables and drinking water. We'll also discuss other good habits like brushing our teeth, washing our hands, and keeping our rooms tidy. Join us for this fun and educational adventure, and discover how good habits can make every day better.
Introduction. Did you wash the apple before eating? No. This is not a good habit. You should always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Friends, today we will learn about good habits. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to recognize good habits, learn the importance of good habits, list healthy eating habits. It is good to get up early in the morning. You must have heard early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. You must brush your teeth twice a day. Take bath daily and do some exercises. Exercise makes your body fit and healthy. Running, swimming, and cycling are good examples of exercises. To keep your body healthy, you should eat a variety of nutritious food. Avoid junk food such as pizza and burger because they lack nutrients. Drink a glass of milk daily. Eat less chocolate. Chocolates are not good for your teeth. You should play games. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Playing games is a good habit that makes you healthy and fit. Always play with your friends daily in the evening. Share your toys with friends. Sharing is a good habit. You work whole day. Your body needs proper rest to get energy for work. Your body gets rest when you sleep. So, you must sleep at least 8 hours a day. You should always clean your teeth before going to bed. Sleep on a clean bed. This will help you get a sound sleep. Our body needs clean air. Plants help in cleaning the air. You should plant more trees. We also need water to live. You should always drink clean water. Drinking dirty water causes diseases. Filter the water before drinking. We should wash our hands properly with soap and water before and after eating. Clean your nails and cut them short because nails carry germs that can go into our body. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time. Always keep yourself clean. Take a bath daily. Wear clean clothes. Always do your work on time. Set times for eating, playing, studying, and sleeping. Finish your homework regularly. Always speak truth to your parents. We should also keep our home neat and clean. Arrange books, toys, and other things at their proper place. Do not watch TV in dark room and even till late at night. This will harm your eyes. Always keep bathroom and toilet neat and clean. Wash hands properly with soap after using the toilet. Toilet paper should be properly disposed into dustbin. Clean the wash basin regularly. Summary. Now friends, let's summarize what we have learned. Exercise makes our body fit and healthy. Our body gets rest when we sleep. We must eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time. Dirty water causes many diseases in our body, so we must drink pure water. We should always keep bathroom and toilet neat and clean.
Thanks for watching our video on good habits. We hope you enjoyed learning about healthy eating and good routines. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time, little learners.